Hi there, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. So on today's tutorial, it's going to be very short and quick. So I'm just going to show you how you can be able to see those who subscribe to your YouTube channel. So the first thing you're going to do, make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Then once you are logged in, you go and click your profile. After clicking your profile, you go to YouTube Studio. Once you are there, ensure that you've clicked on the left right hand side, the drop down that you have here, click on dashboard. And then once you're on your channel dashboard, you just come and scroll down. Then here you'll be able to see your recent subscribers. So if I click all, this will display all the subscribers that I have. Okay, so you can even check with the days they have subscribed. You can start with your lifetime subscribers. You then go to last 90 days, and then you go to last 7 days. So that's how you check your subscribers. That's how you see who have subscribed to your YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you again in my next video. Bye.